Hey fellas, let's take a tour of SCD Raceway from inside the cockpit of the Ford J19. As we approach the first visual cue for the drivers, this is your braking point. This red line represents the last chance to hit your brakes before you hit the wall, which many drivers have done. As we approach the first corner, I just want to show you the damage caused by the cars hitting into the wall on the left side. Many drivers' day have ended right here. As we get into the helix, of course, the G-forces are immense, upwards of 3 Gs. Many drivers have reported almost passing out as they approach this tunnel straight. Do your best not to hammer down before you hit this green line, or you probably are going to be somewhere in the wall, somewhere down the middle of the straight, wrecked. Well fellas, it looks like we have some early attendees to the SCD Raceway hanging out down towards the end of the tunnel straight, looking to see the J19 for the first time finished on the track. This braking point here is a lot more forgiving as you enter the upper helix, which you can carry a tremendous amount more speed through this part of the track, and then you approach your last acceleration point to the start-finish line. That's this green line here in front of us. Well, let's bring this old beauty, this old dinosaur back home, and let's get this racing going. I want to get her on the track with my other cars, and I appreciate you guys coming along for the tour. That's just my way of having a little fun, fellas.